The All Opportunities dashboard is one of the most popular among sales managers, CEOs, and CFOs because of its telescope-to-microscope view of underlying data. It shows sales opportunities that are won, lost, and most importantly, those that are still open, being worked towards a successful close. At the top left is a 20,000-foot view of the performance of our sales team. We've won way more deals than we've lost, by about $1 million, and we've got a very healthy pipeline, close to $7 million in open opportunities. Before we begin our drill down, look at the lower right section of the window, opportunities closing in 7 days. As important as the big picture is, the little picture, what's happening right now, is equally important. With a quick glance, and a scroll to the right, we can see everything we need to know about the deals that are, hopefully, about to close. That's the kind of quick access managers and executives require. So, let's go back to our big picture and narrow our field of vision to just open opportunities. Below are the opportunities by owner, or salesperson, and we can see that Jay might be overburdened by his pipeline and that a number of reps are definitely underperforming. This is a great example of how these dashboards help you easily identify outliers and exceptions and do something about them. We'll continue our drill down to individual customers at the top right. This is where we get down to the microscope level view of individual opportunities. The client ABC Capital has huge potential, over $3 million, so let's look into them. We now see a single huge opportunity in an early stage. These details remind us to follow up with the corresponding sales rep and provide whatever assistance we can to help turn this opportunity into a successfully closed deal.